Did you know that someone can steal your digital life even after you disappear? On August 3rd, 2013, 17-year-old Alexis Murphy walked into a gas station at 7:15 in the evening. She never walked out. The security cameras show her entering the store, but then something chilling happens. The timestamp jumps from 7:18 to 7:33. 15 minutes of footage just vanished. Her phone's GPS tracked her car heading toward Lynchburg, but at 7:44, the signal died on a lonely stretch of Route 29. Here's where it gets terrifying. For nearly 2 hours after Alexis disappeared, someone was using her phone. They posted on her social media accounts, but her friends knew something was wrong. The messages didn't sound like her at all. The final digital trace was a credit card swipe at a gas station 40 miles away at 9:22. But when investigators checked the surveillance footage, they found her empty car at the pump. No driver anywhere, just an abandoned vehicle and a digital ghost pretending to be Alexis.